You're no longer following him. I don't know. Because he has finished using you and dumped you like the shit that you are. You're not running after the women like dead flies. Okwaya?
As I dey look you now, waiting the hungry me now to remove your eyelash. Yes, and to scatter this thing where you take cover your sins. If you know what's good for you, you see this blow where you dey see like this now. It don't tear when I cook out. But I say now your burial day I go give you up. But if you try me today, I go blow you. Come out for road.
Now I know say you don't get sense. No, I just realized that you don't have sense. Look around you. Just look around you. Hey. If my mother and I decide to kill you now and bury you at the back of our compound, do you think anybody will ask of you? Or we even know in 1,000 years to come that you are dead and gone?
You die here, she dey push me, oh. No, Mama, you die here now, she dey push me. You not dey talk anything, no. You not dey talk anything.
Mind your choice.
Cheap girl.
Mind yourself. Anyway, Assam, don't worry. It has not gotten to that. Oh, yeah, come here.
You hear them? You die here, she dey push me.
Wait, hold on. Chidemi, let me advise you. Whenever you are at that palace, behave yourself. Stop throwing yourself at the prince. Did you hear me? You are not their class because you are classless. Where? You are mumu. Just look at yourself. Ibu mumu. Easy. Forget the fact that we managed to stay here with you. Look at my daughter. Look at her. I'm a master. They can only use and dump you. If you jahele her, and after they will dump you. You know, yeah? So behave yourself very well. No reasonable person will come to look for you, ask for your hand in marriage. Do you know why? You are a clown, a local champion, a wannabe, and you can never be that thing. The only people that will even think of helping your life when it comes to marriage are wine tappers. Hunters, barrow pushers, or maybe if God now decides to, let me help this cursed child, he will now send a keke na pepe driver your. They are promoting how? By mentioning keke driver. Man, that's the highest she can go, Mama.
You must say something, Two of you now. If to say, make I talk and way, make it not be like say I did disrespect you. Not be everybody where go school and get sense.
So what are you saying?
I did talk say not be to go school be the main thing because I said the tweet 12 una now. It be like say una no get sense. No, una
how dare you?
Never shout oh. Never at the quiet things not mean I don't know what thing I did do. Una don't do the I said make I because if you talk again, I go run and tie you. As I dey talk, you dey talk say nobody go marry me. Now keke pusher that beast that. Make I tell you, I go marry the prince.
What?
No, it dey shock you. You dey vex side dey go near. Why you dey fear?
I know they fear.
If you not say nobody go marry, why you dey fear?
This thing you have in
now
between
make
your legs.
I tell you the truth. You see that prince, I go marry him. And the day when I go marry him, after you don't pack plates, you don't serve mineral, you go backyard, carry rope, go hang yourself.
What? How dare you say that before me? Mother, that my daughter will hang herself. Mother, did you hear this devil? The priest will marry you. Oh yeah. How you go just there drink like this? You be fish? I dey talk to you, you're not even there here waiting I dey talk since.
Oh, sorry. What were you saying?
Why you there drink? You don't know say you be prince. You just sit down for here they drink like a drunkard. When I bring this bottle, you fool, you don't drink and reach here. Why you there drink like that?
There's something wrong with you. Who are you to tell me how to maintain composure, Steve? I mean, how do you get...
You they even they borrow my language, still they use some they shout.
No, but who are you to tell me how to maintain composure? Who are you?
Okay, you don't forget. No, you don't forget. The night when you drink finish, when I carry you, you don't forget.
It was you! My goodness! I said it! Your voice was echoing to my mind. Like I kept hearing the voice in my brain. I said I knew something about it. I said, so sorry.
No, you're not that sorry. Now lie, you dey lie.
Honestly.
I think say people when they be prince, they're not there.
No.
But I know which one be you.
I didn't see your face.
Okay, wait now. That day when I come, when I dey tell your papa my name, I dey do you like this. I dey tell you, say, I dey give you sign. They give you sign. You not remember? I
should have known. I'm so sorry. I didn't know it was you. Honestly. I'm sorry. You know, I've been looking forward to see that person who helped me that night, but I didn't get to see your face, so there was no way I could tell.
It don't do. No sign, not dey show myself too much.
Oh, please.
It
I'm
don't
so sorry.
do. I don't forgive you.
You see, I actually told myself that if I get to meet that person who helped me that night, that I was going to reward them.
You won't give me award?
No, I reward like reward.
Not the same thing. Who then give award? Who then give reward? Not this. Not be award. Not the same thing. And them now. They give person something. Are you serious?
Yeah.
But I hope say that thing when you want give me, it go reach me come out for this village. Cause as I die here, I don't tire. Oh, I want go upgrade. As you see me now, what's in the hungry me now to drive Benz, red Benz. I dare tell you.
Let me tell you what I've got.
Tell me now.
You slapped me. I'm a Lemonti. I'm a Gomunti. Hey, I'm a Gomunti.
No, so I dare play.
You slapped me.
No, so I dare play.
What kind of place? Was this how you took me to the woman's place that night? Oh my goodness, that means you really ruined my face.
No, I not touch you.
Oh my goodness.
Why on that drink?
No, I'm not drinking
anymore. I know the best again.
No, I can't drink anymore. I was just joking.
I not say you dey play now.
You know, whatever you do, it's okay.
Oh yeah, make me drink now. You see that prince, I go marry him. And the day when I go marry him, after you don't pack plates, you don't serve mineral, you go backyard, carry rope, go hang yourself. You lie. Never. Over my dead body. No! Jesus. Away.
Now we here.
What's up?
Hey.
Oh.
People scared me.
No fear.
No, you now our person.
You, I mean, no be our person.
You na person.
No fear. No fear.
Now waiting make up. If I no be na person, I no go carry business come.
Okay, no wala. We dey here.
Bros, you get one useless girl. When I mean useless as in capital letter, God-forsaken bastard that the devil wants to use as a stumbling block to block my way. But I won't let her succeed. Even God will not let her succeed. That is what I mean. I need you people to help me take her away from the world. She does not add any good to living in this world. I need you people to help the world people like us, forget that someone like that ever existed. Please. Just carry her. Do with her whatever you want. Let her not return.
But mama, for this business, you no go pay us.
You know they get me, bro. I talk say I bring business, we go bring better money come now. Is it they ask me about money again?
No, mama, that one no be your business. You guys pay us. You guys mobilize us so that we can deliver this job. Yeah.
Wait,
yes, now.
They mobilize gunmen.
Yeah, you guys mobilize us.
Hey God. Now wow.
Mama, if you want to make we do this business, you guys pay us.
Yeah,
we could deliver. We deliver.
As you pay us, we deliver.
Yeah.
How much you they collect?
Chief!
What kind of dream is this? God, please. Let nothing happen to my daughter.
Me. She will have to end me.
Newsflash. You are the prince and not the king yet. But you do not possess what it takes to be a king. How dare you? Now listen, let me make one thing so clear to you. I have been lenient enough with you that you can feel you can toy with my emotions, my feelings. Now, prince, I will not give you that power to do that over me. Me, Grace. Hear me out. It is over between us. Go to hell.
Nothing spoiled.
Go to hell with you. I cannot reduce myself so low to a cheap slot. Rubbish. Prince, my foot.
On to the next toto.
You cannot rewrite the destiny of someone beyond my team. I've chosen to bless. Hey, maintain composure. You cannot change the destiny of someone beyond my team. I've chosen to bless.
I had to find one hotel lodge.
You know, I actually think that I have not been seen properly. I mean, something must definitely be obstructing my sight to see this beautiful body. Damn.
What are you talking about?
What I'm saying is that I must be really stupid to turn this beautiful and astonishing woman down. I mean, your beauty is everything. Look at how your skin is so astonishing, sparkling.
I know who you are. Yes, now. You are coming to me now after being rejected by my clown sister. Imagine somebody like that rejecting you.
No. No woman can say no to me. She didn't reject me. As a matter of fact, your sister is below my class. Okay? I don't want to do anything. I was actually joking with you. So don't take it serious. It's you that actually want. I mean,
Wait.
Baby now.
Hey, hold on. I knew it. Seriously, I actually knew that you were joking. You know why?
Baby, turn around.
Hold on. You know, I knew you were joking. You know why? Because there's no how on earth any man that has a good sight will look at that one and choose her over me. No, it's not possible.
Am I saying?
I know you are joking. You are joking.
I was joking.
You.
It's you that were taking it serious.
You, eh?
At the mat, now I go leave you for her. Who is that one? That dirty girl. She smells bad.
Oh, I was telling you what this is. You didn't want to say it.
It's you that want job.
You
have missed you so much.
Because I was thinking that maybe that girl bewitched you. Maybe that girl is a witch.
She no fit. I was just joking. It's you that were taking it serious.
I've been praying, maybe it's answers to my prayer that is making you now to notice me.
Are you coming to my room tonight?
Of course, now. If you want me to. Oh my God, you make me so happy. I've never felt this way before in my entire life.
Of course, you know I'm that good. And my touches, my hands are magical.
Yes! Oh my gosh.
Come on, don't want to worry, okay? I will take you to heaven and you wouldn't want to come back.
I don't want to come back. Just waste me. Take me to heaven with you. So, what are we now?
That wisdom came a little late. Moreover, why are you always in a rush?
Because I'm your woman, right? So I want to make sure that I'm the only woman in your life. You're not seeing someone else because I love you. I don't like sharing.
But I can see that you want to colonize me. Are you sure only you can handle my odobo?
Hey, baby, slow now. Trust the process. I can't handle you. That is why I really want to be sure that there is no other woman in your heart. This heart should belong to me alone.
If you want to have me all by yourself, you have to earn it. Make me choose you.
You just say, make I just kiss her. That's so I could just set my mouth. I know they touch me like that. I know. I love sweet talk. That's so those people when they love, that's so then they do. Like,
Drama way. What are you dramatizing again?
they practice drama where we they do for church.
I see. Actually, I brought you drink. Take.
You bring drink for me.
Yes, now.
I no bring and come. I no want. Thank you. I no want drink.
Chidinma, I know you are not happy with me, right? In fact, you don't even like me. I just want peace.
No, still there. Hold on. Make I dey understand. Wait, Tom. Okay. Look me. It be like say you dey confuse me for so. I not be prince, oh. No, because he come there be like say prince don't wear gown. You don't dey see him as another. I be prince don't bleach. I know that I say make I ask.
Please, listen. My conscience has been disturbing me since because of so many wrongs that I've done to you. And I'm here to right them. Yes, I want to be at peace with my sister.
You sure say you want peace?
Serious peace. So why are we even fighting? Is it not because of praise? Eh? I don't have praise equipment to myself. I don't have to be fighting with you, my sister.
Una don't seal am. Hey! Congratulations, sir. You be sharpshooter. You be. I know now. But give me the
Let me tell you something.
Eh?
I realize that there is no better cheap price made for me than you.
So
I need you to shut it down for me.
now me go they follow you for back that
With
day.
your serene.
Now me go they follow you. Your wedding na shut down.
I know.
Just wait that day.
Achalug.
You go see drama. You go run.
Achalug. You go finish me with drama. See, blood is thicker than water. Forget all these years. Eh? I should not be fighting with you. You are my blood. I don't have any reason.
Try.
And I'm glad that you forgive me.
I don't forgive you. No, I not they carry something for mind.
Yeah.
Hey, this one now I go keep am. When they give us food for night, I use this one. Wash am down.
Step down.
I go see. I go shut am.
You know,
down.
some people they say you be clown. They don't say you get sense.
I mean, I too get
I
sense
know we
now.
just say you get sense. It's a big good thing.
Hey, yeah, they shy yo.
Don't shy now, me now.
And they
Make I
shy.
tell you, sir. Make I even tell you. There is somewhere I would like you to accompany me to later. To see a friend. You know, this our newfound sistership love.
Yeah.
We need to start building it.
I they like what
So that by the time wedding will come, we don't gel.
Yeah. I go follow you now. I be not be friend, they follow another friend. Go see friend. That friend now they fit go see another friend. Now so
You know they thought they go off. Maybe with you, I'm what I'm saying is that as blood that we need to start coming together.
Come on, market don't land. Come in.
now your friends be this one.
My friends,
Why they smoke now? This place they smell. Now a small
talk
boys
about you,
like
mama.
this. I thought you even carry that.
Mama, after you, now you.
This one not they come here, not they come here.
it go be now.
And make with the go.
Hey,
This
hey,
place.
hey.
Which one be here? Why not they hold me now?
Not here first. Not here.
My sister, they go now.
Come on, sit down first.
Which one be make
Sit down, my friend.
Then sit. Not why you there shout. Why you go sit down? My sister, I don't there go. You say make I sit down there. Fine cool now.
Sit down.
Why not they laugh? They hold me now. I they talk.
You son of
Welcome.
Thank you, ma. When I go see today, you won't believe what happened today at the palace. The big masquerade came out to play today. I caught them with my eyes. You won't believe what happened. I saw our Chidimma, holier than thou Chidimma, pretender do the worst Chidimma. I mean the church everyday goer Chidimma. Entering a flashy car with two men inside. I was trying to call her, Chidimma, come down. What are you doing there? The next thing this girl saw me, she looked straight into my eyes, saw me like this. She ignored me and told them to zoom off. They zoomed off.
The highest joke of the day. I know it's a lie. Now you are pulling my leg.
A lie? Hey, something I saw with my two naked eyes. Have I ever told you a lie before? I said I saw her with two cute men. Let me just put it cute. Yeah.
Hey, I'm waiting for her here. Let her go and come back. I must deal with her.
Come back? That's if she will come back because the children my eyes with my two eyes today. Doesn't look like she's coming back. No, it looks like she has made up her mind to enjoy herself very well today. No coming back.
So Agaracha must come back. Whether she's coming back today or tomorrow, she must come back. And I must deal with her.
Madam, please, what do you have there?
Oh, I cooked a goosey soup. Your own is in the pot. You can dish it.
Yeah.
Or you can still take
No,
this.
madam, let me go and change.
Quickly. Okay. Yeah.
Which kind of life get this? Brother, daddy, uncle, okay, I beg now. Make una let me go now. I beg una. I beg. I don't even get anything why I want give una. See, now orphan I be oh.
Come on, shut up! Now only you be orphan.
Okay. If una want use me for ritual, my head is not gonna bring anything. No.
Okay, call them again. Call them again. We don't get time. We don't get time. No time. No time.
I beg you. I use God's name till I beg you. I beg.
Will you shut up?
Okay.
What is wrong with you?
I don't shut
Wetin
up.
dey worry you? Listen, let me tell you. You better save your energy. For the journey is still far.
Okay.
See, make I tell you, all these things you do so, you better say your last prayer. You better say your last prayer. I no get joy, you. I no get joy at all. You better say your last prayer. I dey tell you now.
They're hungry.
I said serious word that shall never end in this life. I said I saw her with my two eyes. She ran with some men in a fancy car. I tried to even stop her. Guess what? This girl that you people see as somebody that doesn't have sense ignored me. Hey!
Ugebe, wonder shall never end indeed.
My sister.
Who would have thought Camp Chidimma could do something like this?
Is it people that are calling her cow?
I feel like Chidimma cannot do such a thing. Are you sure those guys were not kidnappers?
Exactly my point. Exactly my point. Ugebe, we all know Chidimma. And Chidimma we know is very innocent. She's very calm. I feel those boys used Juju on her. Yes. Else, why would Chidimma follow people that she doesn't know?
Let me shock you. Juju. You said Juju. Somebody that kissed one of the guys before they zoomed off.
Kiss?
Right before my eyes. And I see Juju.
Hey, this life no balance, so.
I don't believe you. You know why I don't believe you? Because the Chidinma we all know always maintain her composure.
Yes, no.
What are you saying? She's your sister. You know her too well. Are you
Where
saying?
you're sounding, I feel there is more than what you're saying, than what you're telling all of us here.
Mrs. Know It All, educate me.
No.
No, there is more to what?
You go, but calm
No,
down.
she's trying to insinuate
No.
that I am lying.
Where did
We're
you
not
see the car?
Hold on. We're not saying you're lying, Igwe. You know Chidinma, she's your stepsister. You people grew up together.
Grace,
Do you understand?
thank you very much for acknowledging that she's my stepsister and I know her more than all of you. So if me that know her more than all of you is telling you people right now that she did this, you people should believe me. You should believe me.
I can't believe this. The Chidinma we know always maintain her composure at every given time.
Yes, don't say this. Calm down first. Listen to her.
Are you supporting her?
Okay.
I am in the middle. Not our friend.
I don't blame you
Where?
all.
Where?
No, I don't blame you. Especially this idiot that is always countering me. Especially this idiot, this mumu girl. No, because I'm standing here explaining myself to you, you don't think we're on the same level, so why? Eh? No, you think we're on the... I'm not even talking to you. I'm talking to them, not you.
My own is I don't understand all these things. Because Chidinma we all know, you know your sister. She's an innocent girl. She's even still a virgin.
Everybody says she's my sister. So because she's my sister, I know her more than all of you.
Hi, this girl is very heartless. So upon everything I did, in order to make sure she becomes useful, she just left like that. Eh? Hey, and I have plans of what to do with the money she will make for me. And she just left. How could she? Eh? How could she do this to me? Oh. Your Majesty.
Veronica, I heard one of the maids ran away with some men.
Your Majesty, actually she is my stepdaughter. Do you know that I have done everything possible to make that girl useful? Yet, she chose to run away. She's just like her mother. Her mother likes following men all around. She likes going after men. Now that she ran away, I don't even know where to go and look for her. No, where do I go?
You don't need to bother yourself. I will do something. We'll have to track her down. Yes.
Oh, Your Majesty, I will really appreciate it if you track her down. Do you know that my late husband will not be happy with me if anything happens to his daughter?
No, nothing will happen to her. Like I said, I will need to introduce you to someone that will need some necessary information about her in order to track her down. I won't forget me.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Good.
Thank you.
Chidinma, I know very well, will not do a thing like that. The whole thing is not making sense to me. It's not adding up, Father.
What are you talking about?
What I'm saying is this, that I must get to the root of this whole thing. There is no way Chidinma that I know too well will then walk out of this house. Chidinma is not that kind of person. I know her too well.
So what do you suggest?
What I'm saying is this, that I must get to the root of this whole thing. Chidinma will not just get up and then disappear suddenly. And then you expect me not to act? Of course I have something to do concerning this whole thing.
Why not allow the right authorities to do their job?
I am also an authority, Father. What are you saying? I am an authority, Father. I need to act. I need to do something concerning her whereabouts. Chidinma will not just live like that and then everybody's folding their hands as if nothing happened. Chidinma is not that kind of person. And listen to the kind of story and excuses people are making about Chidinma. Chidinma that I know will not leave this house just like that to God knows where.
Is this Ogene?
Veronica, I need to talk to you.
Is it here or do we go somewhere else?
It's fine, we can actually talk here. So, where is Chidinma?
What? Wait a minute. You're asking after someone that ran away with some man? Is that who is that? Is that why you're here?
Lies. I know Chidinma, my baby, should never do a thing like that. Chidinma is very decent, and you both know it.
Baby. Hello? Osina, my baby. No, did you just call her your baby right in front of me? Ekweme.
Yes. Chidinma is my baby. The one after my heart. The lady that I love so much, whom I want to spend the rest of my life with. She's everything and more that I've ever wanted in a woman. If you both don't provide her, I will lock two of you up!
What?
You heard me.
With my sister.
You sure say you want peace?
Serious peace. Oh. Why are we even fighting? Is it not because of peace? Eh? And I have praise equipment to myself. I don't have to be fighting with you, my sister.
Una don't sell am. Hey! Congratulations, sir. You be sharpshooter. You be. I know now. I'm gonna make
Let me tell you something.
Eh?
I realize that there is no better cheap price made for me than you.
So
I need you to shut it down for me.
Now me go they follow you for back
with
that day.
your serene.
Now me go they follow you. Your wedding na shut down.
I know.
Just wait that day. You go see drama. You go run.
You go finish me with drama. See, blood is thicker than water. Forget all these girls. I should not be fighting with you. You are my blood. I don't have any reason.
Try.
And I'm glad that you've forgiven me.
I don't forgive you. No, I not they carry something for mind. Hey, this one now I go keep am. When them give us food for night, I use this one. Wash am down.
Step down.
I go see. I go shut am.
You know, some people they say you be clown. They don't say you get sense.
I mean, I too get sense now.
I know we just say you get sense. It's a big good thing.
Hey, yeah. I'm shy, yo.
No shy, nah, me nah.
I'm shy.
Make I tell you, sir. Make I even tell you. There is somewhere I would like you to accompany me to later. To see a friend. You know, this our newfound sistership love.
Yeah.
We need to start building it.
They like what you
so that by the time wedding will come, we don't gel.
Yeah. I go follow you now. I be not be friend, they follow another friend. Go see friend. That friend now, they go see another friend. Now so
you know they talk they go off key. No be with I mean. And what I'm saying is that as blood that we are.
This was the same day she got missing. There's something she's not telling us. There is something she's not telling us. Where did Ugebe take her to? How come she never returned? I must make use of this information.
Why are you fighting someone who's not fighting you?
Chidinma,
Why are you pushing someone who's not pushing back? Why are you fighting someone who's not fighting you?
My friends, I think I know the best person to answer this question.
How do you mean?
The day she got missing, I overheard a stepsister, Ugebe,
asking her to accompany her to a friend's place, which I find very, very strange. With the fact they are always fighting and arguing around.
Tell me more about this.
I mean, it's so strange that she even got her a drink for her to forgive her. Like, it's so unusual. And I've been thinking about it ever since. I think she has something to do with changing herself.
Thank you for this information. Thank you.
I don't like this delay. You know delay is dangerous. You are supposed to move this consignment today. Well, if you say tomorrow, it better be tomorrow. Or I will call another buyer.
Omo, these people they fuck up. These people they fuck up big time. For 3 days now, these people has been posting us. For 3 days. These people they fuck up. If they're not ready, we'll go contact another buyer. Yo.
Wait, they said tomorrow. So let's wait till tomorrow. After tomorrow, if you didn't hear from them, contact another buyer.
We no get time to waste time. No time, I beg, no time.
You lie, he is mine.
Look at who is talking. Now listen, nobody will ask me to keep quiet because I will not. Yes, Alana, what do you know what? What is wrong with you two? Listen, the prince came to me first. He professed his love for me and I said yes to him. So you two are nothing but idiots. Because the prince belongs to me.
It's a lie. He came to me first.
As what?
Look at this shameless you both of you don't have sense. Like you're standing here arguing over who he came to first. It should be who does he love, not who he came to first. He loves me. He loves you.
Oh, you think you're the one that he loves?
Are we supposed to be talking about a man or looking for a way to find Chidinma?
Chidinma. What's that supposed to mean?
Wait a minute.
Chidinma.
You mean the one that ran after a man?
I have been suspecting you. Hope you know that. I have been suspecting you. But don't worry. Yes.
As who?
No.
Wait. You just made. Wait.
You want me to?
Oh!
This is where you
See, let me make it very clear. See, my prince, you cannot use me and dump me. No! Why now? You see all those things you were doing to me and saying to me on your bed, now whining, now whining. See, my prince, I love it all. You cannot leave me. It is me and you or nobody.
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
Listen to me.
Leave me alone.
You cannot lie me and fuck me. See, you will pay for what you did to me. Yes, you will pay for what you did to me.
Leave me alone. Both of you, leave me alone now.
He said his husband.
King,
oh, you didn't think about the king when you were doing it.
So you're bothered about the king? No, when you were telling me that I'll be your first wife, how you love me, you will take me to Obodo, are you walking away? Don't you go?
It doesn't want it. Is it by force? Where and how did you bring this Rottweiler inside this palace?
I don't understand.
If you push, let him go.
Let him go.
Don't let him go.
Don't go anywhere.
Don't let him go.
Don't
Don't
let
let
him
him. Yes.
You see it. You pay for what you did.
Don't leave him.
You're not
We're
going
going to
anywhere.
tell the king of all the things you have been doing since.
Don't worry.
Yes.
Look at you. You're angry because I cheated you, right?
See this one, oh. Reject who? You think you're my type, Abby? You think you're my type? See, I have a man and I love him so much. This one.
I didn't find you attractive.
And you think me, I find you attractive too, bah?
Well, listen, girls, I'm going to settle this.
Settle what?
Settle what?
Where?
Settle
what? Hey, he's running,
You're running, right? You're running.
You all are disgrace to this royal house. Ekweme, you should be ashamed of yourself. I thought you have changed. I regret never bringing you to this party.
My king, my father, I am so sorry, please. Temper justice with mercy. My king, it wasn't intentional. In fact, it wasn't my fault. All the maids in this palace, they are beautiful and too curvy. I find it very difficult to control myself and my urge. My king, for instance, take a look at Grace. Look at Blessing. My king, look at Jadachi. I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional, please forgive me, my father. I swear to God, I have changed. Ask my wife, she will tell you. You sure I'm happily married?
You are right! Enough! Now, all of you should leave my presence.
Why? Why?
All of you should leave this place now. Leave now.
Oh my God. You are wicked.
All your things. You are leaving this palace for good.
King, please don't send me away. King, please.
I said you are leaving this palace for good.
My king, please. Papa, just leave me. You see, I'm still your only sister's child.
I can never have a son like you. I tried taking you as one, but you keep disgracing me. I wonder the useless man that impregnated my sister. Nonsense. Come in the house. You have no place again in this palace. I say you have no place again in this palace. Take him to his room. All his belongings. I don't want to see him again in this palace. Did you hear me? Take him out. Hey, man. Let's go. Move.
Ugegbe Jafuso. You are a fool. Hey. I blame my useless mother. I blame her. Hey! This is dupe. It's dupe. I can't believe that this guy used my head, my private parts, and my heart to play Ludo. Hey! This is dupe.
I'm so ashamed of myself. I felt I have hit a jackpot. Little did I know, I was just in a moving vehicle heading to destruction. How can he do this to us? He's not even the son of the king.
Hey!
Hey! To add to it, he's married. Married. One after the other. Hey!
Okay, babe. Can you see the man you fought your sister over? You should be hiding your face in shame. Shame!
Why is that useless woman that calls herself my mother? Where is she, Seth? She deserves mass beating and needs to refund my money immediately.
Thank God, though. Thank God I did not fall victim.
I was only looking for a way out of poverty. I was only wanting the best for my life. I never knew. Okochicho Diromba. Okochicho.
Somebody help me, ma! She wants to get me! Are you going crazy? Hey! Chima! Hey! Chima! Hey! 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 I will kill you today. Hey! Your pop has... Your pop is... I am your mother. I'm your mother. You are a witch. Please drop that knife. A witch. Drop that knife, Ugegbe, because you witches are supposed to die. They don't play with knife. Hey! Chima! Chima! Somebody! Stay there! I command you to stay there! Stay there!
You cannot rewrite the destiny of someone beyond my team. I've chosen to bless. Hey, maintain composure. You cannot change the a destiny of someone beyond my day. I've chosen to
Please don't.
No, what are you doing here?
Oh, please. I'm sorry from the depth of my heart. I'm really sorry. I know that I've wronged you. Please forgive me. I have no one else. You're my last hope. I'm no longer with my wife. We separated long time ago.
I am all that you have.
Yes.
A finished man. A fake harlot man is all that I have. God forbid I reject you. You are a fake man. There is nothing left in you. There is nothing you have that I want. You belong to all those chicken girls in the palace, not me. I reject you. Leave this place now. If you don't want me to commit murder, using you as my first murder attempt, get going.
Please.
Get out.
Please, I'm sorry. I have nowhere else to go to. But please.
I will waste you.
I have nowhere else to go to. Please, let me just stay here for a while and fix myself so that I can go back to the city, please.
I don't want to see you around me. You are bad luck. Everything about you represents darkness. I don't want you around me. You are nothing but bad luck. Get going. You want to try me?
I will not give you bad luck. But please.
Okay, I'm going to close my eyes and count 1 to 3. If at the count of 3 you are still kneeling down there, like a beggar that you are, a finished man that you are, I will forget this small pistol on your head.
Remember what we shared. You know I truly do love you. It's you that I love.
This guy, leave here now! Leave here. Get out. Leave here. Out. Leave!
This girl is going crazy. So, she would have killed me.
Hey! Veronica, I hate you. I hate you with serious passion.
Okay,
you are the worst thing that has ever happened to my life. You ruined my life. You should have been the one that died instead of father.
What?
Yes.
Will you shut up?
Shut up! Don't say that! You can't shut me up after ruining my life.
Don't come close to that. Don't come close. You can't shut me up.
I'm just worried about Chidima. That girl has suffered a lot in her life.
My dear, don't worry yourself. Very soon she will be found.
I just hope so.
Well, I have a good news for you. But this whole situation has made me kept it to myself.
No. See, life goes on.
That's true.
Tell me, what's the good news? Perhaps you'll get me better.
Remember what I told you about my tech life and how I've been looking for a gig that will take me out of poverty.
Yes.
The good news is that I've been hired.
It's a lie.
And guess what? This is a bye-bye to poverty.
It's a lie. I'm so happy for you. So you're going to leave this place? I'm so happy.
You don't have a choice than to be happy for us.
I know. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Police, please, when you go to the station, tell them that Go back.
Who dead there? Now who dead there? Now who dead? Who dead there now?
Shut up!
My leg.
Stand up. Oh yeah, stand up.
I don't tire.
Stand up.
Stand.
Stand.
I don't tire.
Let's go.
Hey, where am I?
Move!
Okay. I get 4,000 for my
Shut up! You need your money.
Move,
my friend!
That one.
Come on, move!
Hey.
Keep quiet!
I beg. Now you're not there.
Move!
My don't shut up, bro. You're not there. Carry me there. Go now.
Keep quiet!
Hey! Hold it there!
Hey!
Don't move!
Hey!
Drop your weapon!
Hey!
I said drop it!
Hello?
Drop it! Any movement out.
Hey, you cannot shoot me, oh. Not shoot me, oh. I'm not trying, oh. Who be that? Who dead there now? Ukekbe, your voice I dey hear. Hey, na me. Hey, Ukekbe, why you do this guy thing?
Move!
Why you do this guy thing?
Move! Hey! Hey! Stop there! Stop there!
Hey, thank you, sir, you come on. Hey, they won't kill me since, oh. Hey, thank you. Hey, thank you.
Move!
I said move. Okay, then I mean you do this kind thing.
Move!
I love you like sister, and I mean you do this kind thing.
I said move.
I can see you're looking a lot better.
My dear, we thank God, though. See me now, not be me beg here. They are alive. I just they try to get myself.
I think you should also thank Jetta. I mean, she was instrumental to all of this.
I never see him. If I see him now, I could just tell and thank you. It's not easy. Because if you can't talk her. She try, yo. She try, not be small.
So how are you feeling right now? How do you feel?
You are not there get to myself. Oh. I dare tell you. See, anybody where their life, every day they wake up, they breathe, make it they thank God. This life, nothing there. You know when those people catch me, I dare see myself, I dare see die. I dare see myself, I dare see die. As I dare alive now, any smart, I dare thank God. Life is not easy, oh. Waiting they show me for that place. They show me shege. My dear, make you there thank God for life. Oh.
You see, I was literally contemplating in picking you up myself before I was informed that you weren't there anymore.
You know, it's your not be smart thing where I see for that place. So, not be smart thing.
Have you had something to eat?
I dey talk. It be like say you not dey understand wetin I dey talk. See, you know say you dey see road now. You see those people where them blind. It not easy make them. Not be you sit down here now. You wear red and they look you. For that, they tie my eye. Now only black I dey see.
They blindfolded you.
Now that the same thing with their talk. They blind. I know they see. It not easy, oh. So sometimes if I go, they think say better make I die than make God forgive me, make you not go strike me with something.
Don't say that.
It's not easy, I dey tell you. They talk that one, you they talk food. Leave that thing, no.
How can you be this mean and wicked to a little girl that was left in your care? How could you, Mrs. Veronica?
Your Majesty, I'm sorry. I was only trying to raise her well.
Just shut up. I will tell accountant to pay you off because your services is no longer needed in this palace. Yes.
Your Majesty, please. Don't do this to me. Don't pay me off. Do not sack me. I have nothing else to fall back to. Please, Your Majesty, let me work for you. Is it salary you pay me that I used to take care of my family? If you sack me, how will I do?
You know all of this. Huh? Guards!
Hi, Your Majesty.
Guards!
Your Majesty, please. Remember how faithfully I served you all these years?
Yes, Your Majesty.
I've always been by your side, Your Majesty, please.
Take her away!
All right.
Your Majesty, don't sack me.
Let's have it.
Your Majesty,
Come on.
please.
Veronica, please. Veronica.
Your Majesty, please.
His Majesty has spoken.
Your Majesty, please.
Stop.
Hey, Mrs. Veronica, we don't want to be violent.
Your Majesty, please.
Take her off, take her off.
Your Majesty. Your
Move
Majesty.
it!
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
This life, eh? See how things just change in a twinkle of an eye.
Hey! But seriously, who would have thought that Ugebe is capable of such hideous crime?
Listen, are you the one talking or something is speaking through you?
I'm the one saying this.
I am not surprised. I am not. You see that girl, Ugebe, Abi Ugebe, or whatever they are calling her, and her mom, they are nothing but birds of the same feather flocking together. You see those two people, they've not seen anything, no. Nemesis will definitely catch up with them. Definitely. You can imagine. They want to kill their own stepsister. Your own stepsister, you want to kill her.
I'm telling you.
A girl that you're supposed to take as your own child. No. What has Chidinma done to them? Nothing. Common games we are playing here. If you win, no problem. We support you. She went to the extent of sacrificing her own blood.
Because
your
of a
own
man.
blood for what exactly? Jomia?
For a man now.
A man. Hey. Yo. Oh. Oh, Nunda shall never Ogene.
My life has changed for better. But it is not worth spending without you beside me for the rest of my life.
Chetachi.
Ogene nemeba.
Chetachi, you're the love of my life. The sweetness in my heart. Please, make my life complete. Be my wife. Please don't say no.
She said yes, oh. She said yes. Chetachi.
Hey! We're here chasing shadows. Other people are here now calling here. Meeting their destiny help and they are not me. Hey! She's smiling. He's on Oshimiri Kotamboraja.
Hey!
You like them?
You said whether I like that. Hey! Jesus! Hey! You even buy me penteri? Hey! See you! See you! You know my color why they like. I like color why they pop.
There was one I almost got you, but then I changed my mind.
The one why I won't ask you why you not buy me that one where they get rope.
I saw that one, but I was like, okay, you might not want that.
And not that one. That's one when it be like catapult. I want to use them to shoot my enemy. I like that type where. Hey, you even know my. I say you don't look my nyash since. How you take know my size?
Chidinma, what's your problem?
No,
wait. I size for everyone.
I dey joke.
Oh.
But you dey spoil me too much for this palace. So.
Well, if you say that, I would say you better start getting used to the whole thing because I'm going to do a lot of it.
This one where you there say you got there do, you not say na steam me or na Chidinma, forget all these things where they don't rub for my face. So na still the Chidinma where you know before. I hope say you remember.
Not anymore. You see, the Chidinma that is seated here is a Chidinma that is after the prince's heart, not the Chidinma that is meant the other way around.
This one where you don't dare call heart, you dare joke, or be you dare serious?
I am serious. You're a special person to me. I'm not joking.
Okay, oh.
Okay, well, let that not get into your head because I'm just trying to manage you actually.
You say what?
You heard me, I'm just trying to manage you.
Makuna see this cook where we are blue.
I'm trying to manage you. What?
Make I say if not that one, not God there. No God, say if you see the kind of people where them they chase me for outside. If you see them, you not got that, not they talk that kind. I know they like camel.
Hey, Delima. You see, a while ago you were belittling yourself. So I was trying to help you. So why are you flipping?
If na me talking by myself, it's there okay. Not being go make you the use and then laugh me.
Okay, fine. Let there be peace in the kingdom.
Now only this panterina and then make me the hand. This one too fine. I feel even use and do shower cap. I like how.
You're so dramatic. I swear.
Hey! Hey, what?
Chidema.
I dey hear you now. I dey look my hands. Hey. I like that.
I want you to know that I like you. Since after the death of my first love, you're the only woman who has made me laugh genuinely from my soul.
Not be say I don't like you. But I no one there with man when he still there think of him wife before. I no one come there with you. Small time you go there remember the woman. Eh?
Chidima, I am over that. I mean, it's all in the past.
No, you never. I know what thing I there talk now. You never. I there see you now. I there see how you there change character. Now just time now when you there now you don't there change small. I there see you. Okay. If you not say you don't forget her, oh yeah, make you accept to be king. Why you there poof now?
Excuse me.
You there even the waka the comot?
It's a destiny of someone beyond my day. I've chosen to bless. Okay, feeling well or do. She and I to know you, G. On your name, well on your name,
Here comes Queen. We're still washing.
Which one be here? Where this one for they come from? Now? Which one be here comes the queen? What's in on their plan here? Which one be here comes? Who be queen? Wait. Are you saying the prince has not proposed yet? Get any time when he call you, tell you say he want tell me say come marry me. Which one be never propose?
Chidima.
What's happened?
Wait, are you hiding something from us? Or are you trying to tell me that the prince doesn't have eyes? Or what is he waiting for? What is he waiting for to propose to you?
If you ask me now, who I go ask now? Which one? I want take know whether you want. I don't. He never tell me anything.
You think we are blind? Abi, we are deaf. We know what is going on. But anyways, it's okay.
You're looking good though.
I'm happy for you. Thank you. Thank you. I say even me, I just see myself from mirror. I just shout, Jesus. Now Chidema be this. I don't change. You don't change. You don't say you exact at that time. I just think say na lie.
They always maintain your.
You see why I don't like you. Now only you then remember say I get this for this.
You don't like me.
Hey, no say I love you now. Hey. I mean,
you get them. I do get them.
Thank you. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Latest news. Waiting be that. Chukwu is now rich and he has proposed to Jetachi. Now lie. Look at her now. Now lie. She done they do that thing where they do for Indian film. It's a shame in hand. This one don't sweet me. Thank you now. I'm happy for you. Congrats.
Yes,
don't look down.
Hey, this life no balance, so
this life.
Yeah.
That's your wedding day, eh?
Yeah.
Now me got the big plate. I go make sure say nobody carry plate or rice go house.
So you know go spray me money.
I did for you.
Take composure. composure. You cannot rewrite the destiny of someone the Almighty. I've chosen to bless. Hey, maintain composure. You cannot change the destiny of someone the Almighty. I've chosen to bless.
Why you there touch me? No, you don't vex finish for inside. No, I dare ask you now. You don't vex. Now you dare come touch me. Why you dare touch me?
Well, I won't be angry at you if you don't change my mood. You're the one who caused the mood swing.
But why you dare vex like that? No, I dare ask you. Why you dare vex like that? Eh? Now, better thing than they tell you you dare vex. Now you supposed to be. Why you dare vex? Eh? The thing where belong to you, now that they try give you, you dare vex on top. Why?
You will not understand. There are still situations that are surrounding this whole thing that you don't know. Because of this same birthright was the same reason I lost the love of my life.
Eh? What thing happened? You not tell me this one before.
The king took her life because he doesn't want me to marry that girl. I know you're not aware of this.
No, the one where I hear, they said an accident might happen. The way you there talk am now, it dey be like say the king he really want kill am. But
if the king had not sent her out on that same day, she would have been alive till date.
It don't do now. It don't do. Nobody plan. They not their plan make person die, especially person where you no want kill. Eh? It good make you forget what thing happen so that you go fit them move on.
If I ask you to marry me, will you marry me?
As you there ask the question like say you don't know the answer. So as you there like this now, as you find like this, see as you there, you get chest, you get muscle, see your bia, you say whether I go ma. You don't know say I love you. No, now who be Anthony Joshua? Who be Mike Ezronia, them all those boys where them they form fine boy for they find rich you. They're not fine rich. Why you there? Why you there talk like this now?
Let me get you clear. Wait, Chidima.
Eh?
Are you saying that you would marry me?
The way you they ask this question, it they make me they laugh. Oh. Anything, whether you be king or you not, I go marry you now. Yes, now. I know they play. Oh. I know they play. I they tell you.
You would marry me?
I go marry you now. Just if they ask me like say you know, but if they not tell you say me I go marry you, you not gonna know.
Wait, this is good news to me. You will marry me.
Okay, you not believe.
My goodness.
You not believe say you too fine now. Why I not go marry you? I go marry you now.
You would marry me.
Oh, you they happy?
You would marry me.
Oh, you they happy? Say me. Now me supposed to they happy now. I go marry. Why I not go marry you? You want? You want hug me?
Give me this hug.
You don't they make me they shy again, no? I don't they shy, you.
Make me the most appealing man on earth.
Oh yeah, come hug her first. You think? It says the hug me they sweet, oh, love you good, oh.
Yes, I know what to do.
Father. Father, she has accepted to marry. This is exciting, Father. This is a good news.
No. Can you talk to me? Talk to me.
Father, Chidima has accepted to marry me. She has accepted to be the future queen of this kingdom.
Wait. Are you indirectly telling me that you are ready to answer the call of your forefathers? Or here Agwam? Eh?
I am ready to sit on the throne of my forefathers.
Hey.
I am ready to be the next king of this kingdom with Chidima as the queen by my side. I feel fulfilled.
May the gods be praised. Oh, this is the best news. Ewam, Agunaya. Hey.
We need to celebrate this.
Yes. Exactly. Go and get the wine quickly. Hey.
Chidima has put a smile on my face.
May you be praised. May you be praised.
cannot rewrite the destiny of someone the Almighty. I've chosen to bless. Hey, maintain composure. You cannot change the destiny of someone the Almighty. I've chosen to
easy. And they're easy, but it's there for me now. Maintain composure now. I try, yo.
She's trying to keep to her space. Sorry,
Easy.
Put your queen.
You don't see that thing why they fall. Sorry.
Just try.
I'm not fit now. The thing not there lets me walk.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, just hold it for me. It's fine.
Hey,
it's okay. Let me help her get rid of the shoes. It's fine. You know, there's nothing I wouldn't do for you.
Can't be like say I there on top mountain. Not be say I thought I done the top past the man why they marry me. It's not good now. I dey maintain no.
Girls go now.
I dey see you now. No mind me.
Okay. You feel better?
I don't dare myself. Now I be churuma jua. Now me be this now. Yes. You see as I dey maintain my steez. I dey maintain. I dey come, eh? Bye-bye. Hi, now bye-bye. Bye-bye. They done the open door for me.
Hi. Chidima will miss you so much.
Oyibo, this your eye why they see like this. Make you take care of them, eh? I go call on for phone when I don't reach. But get man, open gate.
All right, ladies, take care of yourself.
Bye, my queen. Do have a beautiful honeymoon. Oh my God. I'm so happy for them. I feel like getting married.
Why are you fighting someone who's not fighting you?
Oh my goodness.
So why are you pushing someone who's not pushing back? Hey, why are you fighting someone who's not fighting you? Why are you pushing someone who's not pushing back? Is it not your view? Is it not your fault? Or quanta tianya putele mebunoi? Obindi madu jolanja. Maintain composure. You cannot rewrite the destiny of someone the Almighty. I've chosen to bless. Hey, maintain composure. You cannot change the destiny of someone the Almighty. I've chosen to bless. Okwe feeling well or do. Chia na chono yiji. Onyene mwelo nyene kulu ya. Okwachuku ne kulu ya no. Hey, why are you fighting someone who's not fighting you?